Today I'm making my spiced honey glazed salmon. First, I'm going to carefully cut the potatoes into 1/4 inch pieces. Now I'm going to lay my potatoes on my baking sheet lined with wax paper. After washing my asparagus, I'm going to cut about 1 inch from the bottom of the stems. Then I'm going to place them on my baking sheet. Now I'm going to place my salmon on the baking sheet. Now I'm going to take my glaze, drizzle it over the salmon, then spread it all around with the brush. Now I'm going to take my olive oil and drizzle it over the asparagus and the potatoes. Now I'm going to sprinkle it with my seasoning. Then just toss them to coat them. Now bake it at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes.